So we'll break for a while and you can go down and you have only 15 minutes to chill with them and feel free to take pictures and enjoy their ride. So you can donate on your own through any amount. You can remind you to take care of your personal belongings. So you can go down all together. And after 10 minutes you can go back to the boat. Take your time.
Gunit lang, gunit lang. Gunit lang, gunit kay. Up. Okay. Welcome to Ate Tribe, guys. Isa man eh. Isa man eh.
Walang bayad yan, sir.
Hoy, bayad na eh, bayad na eh.
Walang may bayad. Dito sila picture, sa tip lang, sir.
Okay.
Meron sir, ako.
Okay.
Mag-anak ko, may ako.
Selo, tagpila man eh. Karera. Rap. Okay.
Dari sir, para
Okay.
maganda sir. Para... Oh, maganda po sir.
Oh.
Dito magbakay sir, kayo pag-ano sir. Ninap niyo ang picture.
Ay.
Tara,
Video.
meet nyo. Sige. Okay ma'am, alis na ma'am. Pagkalayo, dari sir. Ari sir. Dari sir. Bukas siya, kalayo. Oh, lala. Ano? Kalayo. Hey, nan. Oh, lala. Oh, lili. Oh, lala. Hala! Mira, Ganda! Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Kung magkuhan mo dire guys, magpa-picture o magpakuhan sa iTip. No? That Ate Tribe. Ate Tribe.
Panay Island.
Panay lang. So, kung mo kuhan mo, saya mo ang picture mo na iTip. Bisag pilara. No? Tara.